So they are led to you with the spirit of discouragement, and they will speak like a great philosopher. So you have to activate the Holy Ghost at that time. Otherwise you will get soul tied. So don't get soul tied. See, the soul tie is very dangerous, is very effective in the lives. Once you got the soul tie, it is very difficult. There is a way to break it, but you will suffer before you break it. You will suffer a lot with soul tie. There are many soul ties. Especially today I am dealing with the discouragement. The people who comes to you with the words of discouragement, don't listen to that people. Otherwise you will get soul tie.